Hello students of class 9. Surface area of a right circular cone. Okay, surface area of a right circular cone. So now in here, curved surface area of a cone, the formula is pi RL. Okay, where R is the base radius and L is its slant height. Okay, total surface area of a cone, it is equals to pi RL plus pi R square is equals to pi R L plus R. Okay, so in here this much I will have to remember. First of all, it is that the curved surface area, okay, curved surface area of a cone, it is equals to pi RL, and the next total surface area of the cone, it is equals to pi RL plus pi R square. Now let's go to question number 13.3. Diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter and its slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. Okay, diameter of the base. So one cone is there. Okay, exercise 13.3, question number 1. Diameter of the base of a cone. So one cone is there whose base diameter, okay, whose base diameter it is given as 10.5, and slant height, this is called the slant height. Slant height is given as 10 centimeter. I have to find its curved surface area. So therefore we know that solution, we know that curved surface area of a cone, okay, curved surface area, curved surface area of a cone, curved surface area of a cone, it is pi RL. Yes, it is pi RL is equals to 22 by 7 into R. Radius will be 10.5 by 2 into slant height, it is given 10. Okay, so now 2 5s are 10, so therefore 22 into 10.5 into 5 divided by 7. Okay, let's see how much I will get. 22 into 10.5 22 into 10.5 into 5 is equals to, I will get 1155 centimeter centimeter square. This will be my wait, 115 centimeter by 7. Okay, by 7 I have not done, divided by 7 I will get 165 centimeter square. This will be my answer. Okay, this will be my answer. So I hope you have understood. Next we will do question number 2. Let's see what question number 2 is saying. So question number 2, find the total surface area of a cone. Its slant height is 21 meter and the diameter of its base is 24 meter. Okay, I have to find the total surface area of a cone if its slant height is 21 meter and the diameter of its base is 24 meter. Okay, total slant height is given and the diameter of the base. Okay, now total surface area, total surface area of a cone, total surface area of a cone, formula is pi RL plus pi R square. Okay, pi RL plus pi R square, pi R common, L plus R. Okay, so is equals to 22 by 7 into radius of the cone. Here say base diameter is given as 24 meters, so the radius will be 12 meter. Okay, base radius will be 12 meters, so radius 12. Slant height it is given as 21 meter plus 12. Okay, so 22 by 7 into 12 into 21 plus 12, I will get 33. Yes, 33. So 22 into 12 into 33. Let's find out. 22 into 12 into 33 divided by 7 is equals to, I will get 1244.57 is equals to 1244.57. It will be meter square. 1244.57 meter square. Let's check the back answer one time. Exercise 13.3, question number 2. Exercise 13.3 question number 2. Exercise 13.3 question number 2, you see it is 1244.57 meter square. 1244.57 meter square. Okay, if you have got any doubt you can write it in the comment section. Question number 3. Curved surface area of a cone is this much given and its slant height is this much given. Find its radius of the base and the total surface area of the cone. Okay, curved surface area. So first of all, question number 3, it is given that curved surface, okay, curved surface area of cone, it is given as 308 centimeters square. Okay, curved surface area of cone, it is given as 308 centimeters square. Now curved surface area formula is pi RL is equals to 308. Yes, I can write pi RL is equal to 308. Okay, now slant height is given. I have to find the radius of the base. Slant height is given, this is L given. So 22 by 7 into R into slant height, it is given as 14 is equals to 308. Okay, 7 2s are 14, so 44 R is equals to 308. R is equals to 308 by 44. Okay, so 308 divided by 44, I will get 308 divided by 44 is equals to, I will get 7. Okay, R is equals to 7 centimeter. Yes, R is equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore, the radius of the base, okay, you can write therefore radius of the base, it is equals to 7 centimeter. Finished. Okay, first one finished. Okay, next we will do number 2. Now next we will do number 2. Okay, number 2. Now you see number 2, it is asking total surface area of the cone. Okay, total surface area of cone. Total surface area of a cone formula is pi RL plus pi R square. Yes, pi R bracket start L plus R. Okay, so 22 by 7 into radius we got 7. Yes or no? Radius we got 7. 7 into bracket start L. It is given 14. So 14 plus 7 is equal to 7. 7 gone. 22 into 14. 14 plus 7 I will get 11. 21. 22 into 21. Let's say how much? 22 into 21. 22 into 21 is equals to, I will get 462. Okay, 462 centimeters square. Yes, 462 centimeters square. This is my answer. Okay, total surface area 462 centimeter square. I hope you have understood. If you have got any doubt, you can write it in the comment section. Okay, next we will go to question number 4. Now question number 4, a conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24 meter. Find the slant height of the tent. Okay, question number 4, number 1, it is given conical tent is 10 meter high. Height of the conical tent, it is given as 10 meter. Okay, height of the conical tent, it is given as 10 meter. And then next what it is given? Radius of the base of the tent. Radius of the base of the tent, it is given as 24 meter. Yes, radius of the base of the tent, it is given as 24 meter. I have to find number 1, I have to find slant height of the tent. Slant height of the tent. Okay, slant height of the tent, it will be is equals to, formula is h square plus r square. Okay, in here you can write like that also. Slant height of the tent, in the bracket you can give small letter n is equals to root over h square plus r square. Okay, is equals to root over, it is 10 square plus 24 square. Okay, root over 100 plus 576 root over 24 is equals to, I will get 676, which is equals to 26. Okay, 676, which is equals to 26. Finished. 26. What I will write? Slant height 26 meter. Yes, 26 meter. Finished. Slant height of the tent, L is equals to how much? We got 26 meter. Okay. So next we will have to find what we will have to cost of the canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is 70. Okay, cost of the tent required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square of canvas is 70. Okay, so now in here I will have to find, okay, next number 2 I will have to find the cost of canvas. Now I have to find curved surface area of the tent. Okay, curved surface area of the tent, pi RL. Okay, formula is pi RL is equals to 22 by 7 into radius, it is given as 24 into slant height we got 26. Okay, is equals to, I will get 22 into 24 into 26. 22 into 24 into 26 is equals to I will get 1961.14. Okay, 0.14 meter square. Okay, 1961.14 meter square. So therefore now cost of the canvas required to make the tent. Okay, cost of the canvas required to make the tent, it will be is equals to 1 meter square cost is 70. So this much meter square cost will be how much? It will be rupees 1961.14 into 70. Okay, into 70 is equals to, I will get rupees 13 rupees. I will get 1372. Okay, 1372 79.80. Let's check the back answer. Exercise 13.3. Okay, exercise 13.3, you see the answer is 137280. Okay, I have got this one. So if you want to round off in here, this one you can write rupees 137280. Okay, this one 79 there, you can make it 80. Okay, it will be your approximate cost, this one. Okay, so if you have got any doubt, you can write it in the comment section. Okay, I hope you have understood. Question number 6. The slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the curved surface area at the rate of 210 per 100 meter square. Okay, the slant height and the base diameter, it is given. Okay, so first of all, question number 6, I have to find the curved surface area. Okay, curved surface area of the conical tomb. Okay, curved surface area of the conical tomb. Curved surface area of the conical tomb, it will be is equals to pi RL. Okay, it will be is equals to pi RL. So is equals to pi value, it will be 22 by 7 into radius. Now you see the base diameter given as 14 meter, so the base radius will be what, 14 by 2 is equal to 7 meter. Yes, so radius will be 7 into slant height. Slant height it is given as 25 meter. Okay, so into 25, so 7 7 cut, 22 into 25, 22 into 25 meter square. Yes, 22 into 25 meter square. So 25 into 22, 5 to the 10 to the 4 5, 5 to the 10 to the 4 5 is equals to, I will get 550 meter square. Yes, is equals to, I will get 550 meter square. This is the curved surface area of the conical tomb. It is 550 meter square. Finished. 550 meter square we got. Now next I will have to find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface area at the rate of rupees 210 per meter square. Okay, so now curved surface area of the conical tomb we got. Now I will have to find the cost of whitewashing. So now I will write cost of whitewashing 100 meter square. Okay, cost of whitewashing 100 meter square, 100 meter square, cost of whitewashing 100 meter square, 100 meter square of the curved surface. Okay, of the curved surface. Cost of whitewashing 100 meter square of the curved surface, it is equals to rupees 210. Okay, it is equals to rupees 210. So therefore cost of whitewashing 1 meter square of the curved surface. Okay, 1 meter square of the curved surface, 1 meter square of the curved surface, it will be equals to cost of whitewashing 100 meter square of the curved surface, it is this much. Therefore cost of whitewashing 1 meter square of the curved surface, it will be equals to 210 by 100. Yes, rupees. Okay, rupees 210 by 100. Now I will have to find cost of whitewashing. Okay, cost of whitewashing. What is the curved surface area I got? It was 550 meters square. Yes or no? So therefore cost of whitewashing 550 meters square of the curved surface, 550 meters square of the curved surface, it will be equals to rupees 210 by 100 into 550. Okay, so now if I solve it, I will get rupees 21 into 55. So 55 into 21, I will get rupees 1155. Okay, rupees 1155, this is the answer. Okay, rupees 1155, this is the answer. Let's check the back answer one time. Exercise 13.3. Exercise 13.3, you see exercise 13.3, question number 6, 1155. Okay, rupees 1155. So if you have got any doubt, you can write it in the comment section. Okay, question number 7, a joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius 7 cm and height 24 cm. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Okay, joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius 7 cm and height 24 cm. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. So question number 7, joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius and height given. Okay, so one cone is there. Okay, one cone there. Okay, one cone is there whose height is given as 24 cm. Okay, height is given as 24 cm and base radius it is given as 7 cm. Okay, height given as 24 cm, base radius given as 7 cm. I have to find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Okay, no problem there. First of all, I will have to find let's first of all, okay, first of all, question number 7, let's find the slant height. Okay, slant height of the cone, slant height of the cone, it will be is equals to small letter L is equals to root over h square plus r square is equals to h given as 24, so 24 square plus radius given as 7, so 7 square is equals to 576 plus 49. Okay, 576 plus 49. So 576 plus 49, how much I will get? Let's see. 576 plus 49 is equals to, I will get 625. Yes, is equals to, I will get root over 625, which will be is equals to 25 centimeter. Okay, 25 centimeter. Slant height, it is this one, 25 centimeter. Okay, finished, done. Slant height of the god. Okay, now we will have to find the we will have to find the curved surface area. Okay, curved surface area, curved surface area, yes, curved surface area of one cone, curved surface area of one cone, it will be is equals to pi RL, which is equals to 22 by 7 into 7 into 25. 7 gone. 25 into 22, I will get is equals to 550. Okay, 550 centimeter square. This is the curved surface area of one cone. It is 550 centimeter square. Now in here asking find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. So now I will have to find the curved surface area of 10 cones. Okay, curved surface area of 10 cones, curved surface area of 10 cones, it will be 550 into 10 is equals to 5500 centimeter square. This is the curved surface area of, this will be the answer. Okay, curved surface area. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. So therefore last line I can write, therefore the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps or cones, anything you can say, 10 such caps, it will be is equals to 550 centimeter square. Okay, let's check the back answer one time. 13.3 13.3 yes, 13.3, you see question number 7, 13.3, question number 7. Yes, it is 5500 centimeter square. Okay, this will be the answer. Question number 8. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter of 40 cm and height 1 meter. If the outer side of each of the cones is to be painted and the cost of painting is 12 per meter square, what will be the cost of painting all these cones? Okay, a bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter of 40 cm and a height 1 meter. Okay, if the outer side of each of the cones is to be painted and the cost of painting is this much meter square, what will be the cost of painting all these cones? So first of all I will have to find the curved surface area of the 50 hollow cones. Okay, curved surface area of the 50 hollow cones. So before finding the curved surface area of 50 hollow cones, I have to find the curved surface area of each cone. Okay, then I will find the curved surface area of 50 hollow cone. Okay, and then the cost I can find if I multiply that curved surface area of 50 cone with 12. Okay, so question number 8. Question number 8, first of all I will have to find the curved surface area. Okay, curved surface area of one cone. Curved surface area of one cone, it is pi RL, which is equals to pi value 22, or pi value you see in here. One more thing, pi value it is said to take 3.14. Okay, so is equals to, I will take 3.14 into radius. Radius base diameter is given as 40 centimeter, so radius will be 20 centimeter. Now this 20 centimeter I will have to convert it to meter, so it will become 0.20 meter. Okay, 0.20 meter into slant height. Slant height I have to find root over h square plus r square. So 3.14 into 0.20 into root over height. Height it is given as 1 meter. Okay, height given as 1 meter. So 1 square plus radius is 0.20 to the whole square. Okay, so is equals to, I will get 3.14 into 0.20 into, this will be 1 plus 0.20 into 0.20 is equals to, I will get 0.04. So 1 plus I will get 0.04. Okay, 0.04. So 3.14 into 0.20 into root over 1.04. Now 1.04 value it is 1.02. So therefore is equals to, I will get 3.14 into 0.20 into 1.02. Okay, now if I multiply it, I will get 3.14 into 0.20 into 1.02 is equals to, I will get 0.64056. 0.64056. It will be what? It will be meter square. Okay, 0.64056 meter square. Finish. This one we got. Curved surface area of one cone we got. So therefore now I will find curved surface area of 50 cones. Okay, curved surface area of 50 cones is equal to 0.64056 into 50. Okay, into 50. So if I multiply it by 50, how much I will get? I will get 32.028. Okay, I will get how much? 32.028 meter square. Okay, 32.028 meter square. This is the curved surface area of 50 cones. Okay, now cost of painting 1 meter square of if the outer side of each cone is to be painted, and the cost of painting is 12 per meter square, what will be the cost of painting all these cones? Okay, so therefore to paint 1 meter square of area, cost is 12. So therefore to paint this much meter square of area, because this is the curved surface area of 50 cones, yes or no, all these 50 cones has to be painted. So this much area, this is the total area that has to be painted. So to paint 1 meter square, the cost is rupees 12. So therefore to paint this much meter square, what will be the cost? Okay, so therefore I will find cost of painting. Okay, cost of painting all the 50 cones. Okay, all the 50 cones, cost of painting all the 50 cones, it will be is equals to 32.0, this one 32.028 into 12. Yes, it is per meter square. Rate is given rupees 12 per meter square. So this area into 12. Okay, it will be rupees. Okay, 32 into 12. If I do, I will get 384 point 3 I can write is equals to rupees 384 point 34. Okay, 384.34. okay, 384.34. let's check the back answer one time. Let's check the back answer. Exercise 13.3. Yes, you see 384.34. it will be approximate value. Okay, it will be approx. You can write approx, because if this one, if you multiply, you will get the answer 384.336 you will get. Okay, 384 if this one if you multiply, you will get this much value. Okay, so that much if you round off in the hundredth place. Okay, if you round off in the 100th place, so you will, this will be the approximate value, 384.34. okay, so I hope you have understood. If you have got any doubt, you can write it in the comment section. Okay, thank you.